What is that?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin?
Open.
You want me to open it? Okie dokie. Alright. Ooh, look at all that stuff. Let's see if Mama can open it. What's in there? What do you see?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin? What else?
Open a pumpkin.
You want me to open the pumpkin? Alright. Let's put this down for a second. Sorry, people. Oh, boy. Alright. What do you want? Look at all that good stuff. What do you want? What'd you find? Oh, what is that? Chocolate. Let me see and I'll open. Say open, please. Open, please. Okay. What else is in there? Oh, do you want to look at cookies? You want me to open it? Okie dokie. Hard to open when you only have one hand. Oh boy, it smells good. Here. Cookie. Yum. Is it good? Is it good?
Good.
Good? Oh boy.
Good.
Is it good? Okay, hang on. Let me see. Can you say, thank you, Auntie Amy? Thank you very much. Say, thank you, Auntie Amy. And so you got a drum? Lucas.
No.
Can you say, okay. Can you say, thank you, Maddie?
Money.
Thank you, Maddie. And say, one more time, say, thank you, Uncle Joe. Okay, here you go. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh, good.
All right, bye-bye, sweetie.